Hi everyone and welcome back to the Hair Loss Show. In today's episode we're going to talk about PDO threads and how that can possibly be used to treat hair loss. Stick around.
Welcome to the Hair Loss Show. Dr. Russell Knudsen and Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash discuss issues relating to hair loss and the medical and surgical treatment of hair loss in both men and women.
Hi everyone, Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash, and thanks again for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. So we've talked about lots of different medications here on the channel, and one thing that we want to touch on today is something called PDO threads. And PDO stands for polydioxane, and that's a material that a lot of sutures are made out of, and we've been using that for many years. I think in surgical practice, polydioxane has been used for over about sort of 30 to 40 years. So it's something that we've used a lot in medicine, and it absorbs over time. And certainly recently, certainly in the field of cosmetics, PDO threads have become very popular. And what we can do within various parts of the body and the face as well, we can insert these threads and they can help create lift. But not only do they do that, but also they stimulate collagen production in and around the area of the thread, and over time helps boost that local area by improving blood flow, improving collagen stimulation, improving growth factors to the area. So people have used that concept and are now using that as a treatment adjunct in hair loss, because one of the things that we know is that hair loss, certainly androgenic alopecia, there's a multi-causal effect. And yes, there's the hormonal side, and we've talked that many times in the channel, but we also think that certainly in the therapies form, using stimulation therapy, be it minoxidil or platelet-rich plasma, by the addition of growth factors, by the improvement of blood flow to the area, that can help stimulate existing hair growth. So people you can use these PDO threads in areas on the scalp that are thinning to try and improve some of the thickness in that area. Now I want to be clear that if you've got a completely bald area, using PDO threads, it's not going to suddenly really bring back hair. That's not going to happen. But if you've got an area that's thinning and you want to try and thicken up the hair in that area, this is a good adjunct to other treatment options as well. And like I've touched on, we can use minoxidil or we can use platelet-rich plasma. And then there's the medical therapies such as finasteride as well. But used as a combination, this may also be an additive effect in terms of trying to improve the strength of the hairs. So this is one thing that you must speak to your doctor about and see if they offer that service. It's safe. Like I said, the PDO threads over time will dissolve, but you need to make sure that you're an appropriate candidate for this treatment. So I hope you found that helpful. It's PDO threads. They're very commonly used. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode. Take care.